All right, guys, we are back once again, and I got an important message for you. Your spine can make you look fat. If you have too big of an arch here in your lower back, it pushes your abdominals and the contents of your abdominals that way. And you end up with a belly that looks something like this. You can see big arch in lower back, stomach that gets pushed forward. Your spine can make you look fat. And that's not only it. If you have a really big arch in your lower back, it's indicating that your pelvis tilts a little too far forward. It's also indicating that your upper back is rounding too much. I've got some really awesome exercises, 3 drills that you could do with just a couple of yoga blocks. They're going to help you correct a lower back that arches too much, a pelvis that tilts too far forward, and an upper back that is not extended enough. These are really, really awesome exercises. And Carol Wilton is awesome because she just gave me 200 stars. Thank you so much. Okay, so this first drill, what we're going to do is we're going to target the quote-unquote lower abs, the lower portion of your rectus abdominis. What you're going to do with these yoga blocks is you're going to place them under both knees. We're going to be in what's called the quadruped position. Now, in the quadruped position, I'm supporting my upper body with my wrists, having them underneath my elbows, which I'm going to turn them back. This is going to keep my shoulders, my elbows, and my wrists in good alignment. When I do this kind of maneuver with my elbows, it helps me lock my upper back into what's called extension. Then to target my lower back, my lower abdominals, all I'm going to do is work on what's called pelvic tilts. So you can kind of see this. If you look at the arch of my lower back, big arch, squeezing my stomach and my butt tight, pelvic tilting, this is helping me use my lower abs and overcome that big arch I have in my lower back. Now, while I'm doing this, and I'll scoot up so you can get appreciation for the pelvic tilt action, I'm really trying to concentrate on keeping my head in good alignment. We know if we have a strong set of deep neck flexors, that my head is going to be supported better, and this is going to help me overcome that forward techniques, which again helps me reverse an upper back that round. So this is drill number 1, pretty stinking awesome to help you, again, target the lower portion and get this pelvis to kind of rotate under. We said that if the lower back arches a whole lot, it forces you to round your upper back, which means that the muscles of my upper back need to get stronger. So we can kind of start to target those and create some strength and mobility in that area by moving the yoga blocks forward. Then just taking our knuckles and kind of burying them into the top of the block. Same idea with my elbows. I'm going to kind of rotate them back. And you can see right away, and more importantly, when you do this, you're going to be able to feel this right away, that the muscles of my upper back get stimulated and they're promoting what's called extension. So instead of being here, I'm being here. Now, in this position, you could really work on reinforcing a good forward head, or reversing a forward head carriage, and working on that good chin tucked position by just letting your head drift forward, bad, then drawing your chin back and tightening that up. And this is super, super good stuff. Let me move forward so you can get double chin action and know exactly what I'm talking about. So again, for this exercise, elbows go back, shoulder blades drawn, and you're just pulling up and in. Again, while you're here, you can work on good rotation of your cervical spine to help you increase that capacity. But these are super, super good exercises right away to create length in the spine. This actually ends up being a good kind of traction exercise. Good drill to do at the end of the day. That's drill number 2. Drill number 3, we will need to coordinate everything. We need to get your core to be able to talk to the rest of your body. So we're going to stay in the quadruped position. We use just one yoga block. And I'm going to put it right above that right on top of the arch that I have my lower back. In this position, I can first work on finding good neutral position, and you're watching the yoga block rise and fall. Once I find kind of that happy medium, plenty of things that I could do with this. I could work on just getting shoulder flexion, trying to maintain good neutral position while my arms are moving. Then I can work on extension of the hip, making sure that I can keep my spine nice and stable when I move my hips. And then probably most importantly, like many people have seen before, we can work on coordinating the 2 patterns with something that they call a bird dog. The whole goal with this is to create good spinal stability and not have that block fall off, something like that, because your core isn't engaged. So there you go. It's 3 really simple drills, 2 yoga blocks, and probably about 5 minutes of your day to help you reverse a pelvis that tilts a little too far forward, an arch that forms in the lower back, and the abdominals that just get shoved that way and kind of make you look like you have more fatness there, if you will. Anyways, you guys got questions, comments, concerns about that or anything else, I don't think you should wait. I think you should use the link that's in the post and get a body blueprint made, like right now. So I could take a look at your body and figure out what you need to do. You can start doing it, and you can start feeling and moving the way that you want to. Anyways, thanks for checking in. I know these drills will help you a ton. Bye.